Welcome to Prime Cosmetic Clinics. I am Dr. Chaudhary. Today I am going to show you a video to demonstrate the insertion of biofibers. Before that, let's know some basics of biofiber. Biofiber is a synthetic nylon fiber that is inserted inside the skin to mimic the hair. These fibers have a reversible knot which helps in holding it to the skin. It is a worthwhile hair restoration technique for alopecia and thinning hair, especially if hair transplant is not possible because of the limited donor area. Biofiber helps male and female patients in obtaining the immediate and natural aesthetic results. It is a safe, simple, and light aesthetic surgery. Now let's start our procedure by giving local anesthesia. A small needle is used to avoid any kind of pain to the patient. This anesthesia helps in numbing the skin of the scalp. As you can see, I have already put some fibers. These are the test patch of biofibers. So after giving the anesthesia, I am going to open a pack of biofibers. These biofibers have a reversible knot which we are going to insert inside the skin using a disposable manual implanter. We are going to take care of the direction and angulation of the biofibers for most natural looking results. Biofiber is a biocompatible synthetic hair and is undetectable to the natural hair. It can meet the desired color, length and shape. To achieve the gradual aesthetic improvement, a quantity of about 800 to 1500 biofibers per single session are suggested. Before doing the large session of biofibers, a test patch of 100 fibers is recommended. This helps in knowing your body's acceptability of the biofibers. After the test patch, a waiting period of 1 month is advisable. If there is no untoward reaction of the skin, then large sessions of biofiber can be performed. We advise to gradually increase the density of fibers. Here I'll be implanting about 1200 biofibers as a first session. Over the next sessions, I can increase the density. The next session can be performed about 3 to 4 weeks on the same area or after 1 to 2 weeks in the different area. The requirement of biofiber depends on the expectations of the patients. As these fibers are very fine and thin, the more numbers are required to get the desired results. After the implantation, patient can immediately resume his or her social life with the desired look and the best psychological wellness. The immediate post-implant treatment includes local and oral antibiotics for about 5 to 6 days. Patient is advised about how to handle the hair to avoid its fall. For initial 20 to 30 days, gentle handling is required. Patient is advised to use the suitable products, to follow a proper hygiene and to proper aftercare to increase the longevity of the biofibers. As per the company protocols, periodical medical checkup and yearly fiber integration is suggested to keep the results that are achieved by implantation of the biofibers. The maintenance of biofiber hair implant is based on the personal hygiene and proper aftercare. Surface of the human skin of the scalp has a good blood supply. It produces a waxy substance called as sebum. Sebum acts as a natural shield, but when excessive, it can lead to the infection. This needs to be removed. Thus, the first principle of scalp care is to remove the excessive sebum production and perspiration. So, how to increase the life of biofibers? First is to treat your hair naturally and gently and not aggressively. Do not iron or curl your hair artificially. Second is to use a wide tooth comb following the direction of your hair to untangle them. Third is wash your biofibers hair regularly, at least on alternate days. Fourth is after swimming in the pool or sea, wash your fibers with the fresh water. If you wish to go for the sauna, then you can do so, but protect the biofibers with a wet, clean towel. Now coming to the complications of biofibers, swelling, inflammation and occasionally infection are some of the complications of biofibers. There will be about 15 to 20% of loss of biofibers every year. This needs to be replaced. This repeated replacement can cause swelling, inflammation and hardening of the skin. Infection is seen as the redness and discharge of the fluid or pus. Localized infection can be treated with the removal of just that biofiber. Biofiber can be extracted or removed in the whole form if infected. Repeated insertion of the biofiber in the same area can be done after about 3 months. Now I'll answer some of the questions commonly asked by patients. So, can it be done for the females? Yes, it is available in 30 and 45 centimeter lengths, and it can also be available as straight, wavy and curly fibers. Can I get the desired color? Yes, it is available in about 13 plus colors. Can someone notice the artificial hair? Biofibers look completely natural like your own hair, and they do not change the color or shape. After falling, they do not leave any visible changes in the skin. Regular checkups and good aftercare can help in maintaining the natural look. In how many days the biofibers are stabilized? In about 20 to 30 days, the biofiber gets stabilized. How many fibers can be implanted in each session? About 800 to 1500 fibers can be implanted over a period of 2 to 3 hours. How long will the result of biofiber implant last? This duration of result of biofiber varies from patient to patient and correct management of the post implant period. Every year there will be a loss of at least 20% fibers on an average. After losing the biofibers, can new fibers be placed in the same area? Yes, it can be done. Can I do the biofibers after hair transplant? Yes, it can be done. In fact, it is a very common practice to get the desired look by inserting the biofibers after a failed hair transplant. I am using minoxidil and finasteride. Can I do biofibers? Yes, it can be done. Can I do PRP sessions after biofibers? Yes. Can biofiber be done for eyebrows? Currently, it is not recommended for eyebrows or beard areas. Clinical trials are going on for the further evaluation. I wear a wig. Can I have biofiber implant? Yes, but biofiber cannot have the same type of density as the wig. So this is how the 1200 biofibers will look like. To increase the density, more fibers can be inserted over the next few sessions. Next session can be performed in the same area to increase the density after 2 to 4 weeks, and in the different area after about 1 to 2 weeks depending on the skin healing. Finally, I would like to summarize biofibers by saying that biofiber is a very good temporary solution only in cases where immediate results are desired by the patient and when hair transplant is not possible because of any of the reasons. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more authentic information about the hair care.